operators. Right now we have your operator like this, and we have your operand, which is your x, and y we have your operator, which is your plus. Now operator is those special symbol you see in your mathematics, but in programming we use this to perform logical mathematical operations on data or variables. Operand is the data or variables on which the operator is performed on. Just a simple it's just a simple definition. We have type of operands. We have your arithmetic operand, or we have type of operators. We have arithmetic operators. Your plus, if you come here, your plus, minus, times, division, modulus. We have your what exponent or exponent. So let us start with the arithmetic operators, which is all this. How do we use it? It's very simple. So let's start with the. By the end of the lecture, I'm going to give you all the notes. All right. We have the addition. Arithmetic operators. So just to make your work neat, let's start with x. Let's use a. Okay, let's just start with addition. In your addition, we have a, let's say, is equals to 12 or 13. B is equals to 17. And when we do answer, we can do answer is equals to a plus b, and we can go ahead and print what? We can go ahead and print answer. And when we do this, you get 30. So that's your answer under addition. All right. So let's enter subtraction. So this is subtraction. So we'll just call this subtraction instead. Subtraction, right? So all we need to do for subtraction operator is to come in and do minus. All right. As a matter of fact, I will even prefer that we label it properly. Let us just add something like the addition. And when you put your comma, you should be able to see yes, addition. Now here we should do likewise, comma, and put this and call it subtraction. So when you do this, what do you get? You get subtraction is what? Minus 4. All right. So in this regard, let us do multiplication. I'm just going to copy this and change a few. All right. So when we come here, we can do here multiplication. So let us multiplication. So we can just also come here to multiplication. Don't worry, I'm going to leave all this note for you, and we are going to come here and we can come here and do multiplication. Your multiplication is star. All right, multiplication is star. So when we run it, we are going to have 22. But is this supposed to be 22? Okay, sorry, we have 221. Okay, that's great. So let's enter division. This um division, right? So all we need to come here is to come here and say divide, and we can come here and say that no, sorry, here we should just put division, and cover it. And when we run, you see division, you see the way we are, so you see the way we are working on our division. Like when you divide it, you see the answer it gives to you. Now let us now work on the modulus. Now there's something you need to understand about modulus. Now modulus give you the remainder of something, you get. All right, so let me explain for you. First of all, let's just clean this and say modulus. All right, so let's make it simpler. Let's use small numbers. Let's say 7 divided by 3 is 2, right? But what is remaining when you divide 7 by 3 is 2, but 1 is remaining, right? So when we run it, you see modulus is 1, right? But assuming we put something like 9, you get 0 because there is no what? Remainder. You get 0 because there is no remainder. We get 0 because there is no remainder. So let's say, let us try something like 10. You get what? You get 1 because 3 into 10 is 3, remember 1, so that 1 is what you get. But assuming you want to know how many times, assuming you want to know how many times a number can go into something, assuming you want to know how many times a number can go into something, we can come here and use there's something we call, I think it's floor. Forgive me if I'm mistaken. Let's say floor. It will tell you how many times TV can go into 10. Alright, and the way we do that is like this. When you run it, you get TV can go into 10 3 times. And how many times can 2 go into 10? 2 can go into 10 5 times. And you see that we are getting the answer 5. Hope you are seeing it. So modulus will give you the remainder. Floor will tell you how many times that number will actually go into that number, you get, without a remainder. So you can say modulus is the opposite of floor and floor is the opposite of modulus. Then the next thing that we should be talking about is the where is it, exponent. Yes, exponent. So we should talk about the exponent. Sorry, I'm supposed to make this sorry, forgive me, this is not supposed to be, we're supposed to call this floor. FLOOR, forgive my mistake. So now we are looking at the exponent now. The exponent, right? So what are we expecting here? You know that stuff we used to do in school where they say raised to power? That is what exponent is all about. So for instance, now let us remove this. All right, now assuming we should just make it, or according to Nigerian language, raise, RAISE, to power. Alright, exponent or raise to power. So what are we trying to achieve here? To say raise to power in Python, you just do star star. So for instance, now if we say, you know that, okay, let's say raise to power 2. Alright, so we know that if we say 2 raised to power 2 is 4, right? Yes, 2 raised to power 2 is 4. But 4 raised to power 2 is 16. 3 raised to power 3 is 9. You understand? Sorry, 3 raised to power 2 is 9. 3 raised to power 2 is 9. So you see that, but assuming we say 2 raised to power 3, we are supposed to get what? 8. 8. Hope you are seeing that. So that is the arithmetic operators for you. So I'm going to end this video and I'm going to do a part 2. Thank you very much.